Now we go to the third question, which relates to the hydrogenation of a triple bonded compound. 2-butene is a compound containing 4 carbon atoms with a double bond between the triple bond between 2 and 3 positions. This is 2-butene. 2-butene can be reduced selectively by means of one catalyst which is known as Lindlar catalyst, that is hydrogenation in the presence of a Lindlar catalyst. Lindlar catalyst is actually hydrogen or palladium and barium sulfate as a catalyst, that is known as a Lindlar catalyst. This always leads to a cis butene. This compound A, actually the question asks this on reduction with the Lindlar catalyst leads to a compound A, which on further bromination leads to B. What are A and B? That is the question that is being asked. 4 choices are given. Out of these 4 choices, this 2-butene will not give 1-butene, and therefore this choice is actually ruled out. And the second choice is there are 3 butenes are obtained. It should be one of the 3, either B, C or D. In the case of cis-2-butene, always Lindlar catalyst leads to a cis 2,3-dibromobutene. This part of it is right, but cis-butene on bromination will not give rise to a meso compound. It will give rise, a cis will give rise to 2,3-DL, that is a racemic mixture of 2,3-dibromobutane. Therefore, this part of it is correct, A is correct, but B is not correct. And B part of it, the capital B, this compound is not correct. This is not a meso compound. Therefore, this is not the correct answer. C is the correct answer because this selectively gets reduced to a cis olefin, which is cis-2-butene, and which on bromination will lead to a mixture of plus and minus a DL, a racemic mixture of 2,3-dibromobutane, and therefore this is the correct answer. Whereas the trans-butene is not being obtained. A is not correct. Trans will give meso, but trans-butene is not being obtained. So the correct answer for this question is represented when will be given as C, which is cis-2-butene, which will on further bromination will lead to a racemic product. This can be represented in the form of an equation like this. This I will rub it off and I will give it in the form of an equation, namely on reduction will give rise to this is A, cis-2-butene, which on further treatment with bromine will give a mixture of enantiomers. These two are mirror images. So this will be B. So this is what is known as a DL mixture. So this is the choice given in C. Normally, this reduction by means of palladium and barium sulfate will give rise to cis-2-butene, whereas reduction of the same compound 2-butene by means of sodium and liquid ammonia will give trans-2-butene. The trans-2-butene on bromination will give rise to a meso compound. So the answer for this question is C. Normally there is an easy way to remember. It can be used by the mnemonic CAR, that is a cis olefin is obtained, anti-addition of bromine takes place and the product obtained is racemic. So this can be used by in terms of an easy way to remember is make use of the terms cis olefin, anti-addition, and then a racemic product is being obtained in this case. So the answer for this choice for this question is C.